Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your time format on Calendly. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your time format from 12 hours to 24-hour time windows. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first log onto our account. Next, click on the profile icon in the upper right-hand corner. Next, click on All Settings. And then from here, you want to go and scroll all the way down to where it says Time Format. So this is where you could actually change from 12 hours or 24-hour time periods. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your time format on Calendly. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.